Hello everyone, welcome to day 36 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video I'm going to show you this front post back post ribbed stitch again, but this time we are going to have a set of 3 stitches together. Okay, so this is again a very beautiful stitch, and it has a slight elasticity to it. You can use it as a edging stitch as well, or you can use it like a stitch by itself. It's a reversible stitch. As you can see, both the sides, they look exactly the same. To start off this stitch, I'm going to do a row of foundation double crochets, and because I have 2 sets of 3 stitches, I will be needing a multiple of 3. So let's start with the foundation double crochet. If you're making with the foundation chain and double crochet, make sure to add the turning chain. Basically, the base double crochet stitch, the first row is a normal double crochet. That has to be a multiple of 3. Okay, so I'm just going to make so there is a whole video on how to make the foundation double crochet, and there is a whole video on a couple of videos on the front post and back post double crochet stitches as well. If this is the first video that you are landing, we have this 365 days series going on right from the start of 2025. You can check out the other videos as well. So I have 15 stitches here, 12, 13, 2 more stitches, 14 and 15. Okay, so now the next row is going to be a row of front post and back post double crochet stitches. You start off with a chain 3. I'm going to count this as a back post double crochet and make 3. You need 3 back post double crochet. The first chain 3 counts as 1, so we're going to make 2 back post double crochet stitches. So that forms the first set of double crochet stitches. The next 3 stitches are going to be front post double crochet stitches like this. So the front post is when the needle is at the back and the post of your stitch is at the front. Okay, so we have 3 back post, 3 front post. Again we are going to do 3 back post stitches. Again 3 front post stitches. And it ends with 3 back post stitches. Okay, so that completes row 2, and now the next row you're going to turn your work. The part where you did the back post is going to be the front post here. All you have to do is maintain the stitches. So if there is a front post, make a front post on top of it. If there is a back post, maintain it as a back post. Okay, so basically 3 front post and 3 back post stitches. Right, So just like this, you're going to continue till the end of the row. The resulting stitch will look something like this. So if you're starting a row with a back post, you do 3 back post, 3 front post, 3 back post and 3 front post. If you're starting a row with a front post, 3 front post, 3 back post, 3 front post, 3 back post and 3 front post. And depending on the side that you want, you can keep whichever side as the front. Do try out this stitch and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.